Good morning. Let's get cladding.
Oh, full breakfast is about 10:50.
You've got a boss belt on that? Turkey special? You shouldn't be doing that. I've had this since I started. Yeah, fucking well done. Well, I use it well, do we really? That's it. Change of plan.
You got some there?
Yeah, two more. Same crap of them though, like we went one our defender for some reason. Stay on your feet, no fouls, no fouls, no fouls, you know what I mean? Boom! It's like shit out of him front side, just penalty. Like fucking one, like 0-0, you know what I mean? Like you're taking a piss. Yeah, it's just a kilt game. It went bottom left as you're looking at it. It went bottom left, and our keeper saved it anyway. Well, right save. We were like, how's he even got to that? You know. And then we scored. Free kick. It went, someone knows V. V's taking it. Watch it. And Isaac was next to him, that little midfielder, and he fucking got it in top corner because everyone watching V.
Yeah.
Right, he must have gone, go on then, I've got this, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right goal, proper good free kick it was. Don't fall.
Right, so this is up. Looks a bit saggy at the minute. We've put a string line across the top. And obviously the top one, it is gonna staple from the back onto the last lat that's going down. I want to show you something, but I don't know if I can. I think I can do it from here. Can you see that line? The wall, how wobbly it is right up there. So it's a good job that we're lucky, really. I'm going to say we're lucky on this one because we've caught it every time it's gone in. We've measured that 1050, and every time it's gone in, luckily, our rails, bearers, whatever you want to call it, has actually landed right. So we are pretty lucky. But we're going to start at the top, work to the bottom, because they're putting them trees where it's like a panelling. So a tree goes up and then screens up here, putting them in. So it doesn't quite matter if the 50mm off at floor or 20mm off at floor. So start at top, work down. So we've only got 120 to put in. But this end here is like half, yeah, it's somewhere here. It's a cut from there to that pillar anyway. So let's crack on. We need it in. Why do we need it? Just missed that one. Do it like, I don't know, push hairpins. Yeah, so I'm going to put you in the middle here, okay? Put you in the middle there, and you can nail that one off when I get this 2 load. That's that. Yeah. alright, doesn't it? So we've had 1, 2, 3.5 bays. We're just short on bottom one, but we might be able to get them. There's a few broken ones, so we might be able to use the other half of the broken one if you like. But yeah, we just need to do pillar on that side tomorrow, and then we are doing these bits, like the retaining bits down there, and then down by the house. Just bear with me. Down by the house over here, we're doing, that's like a 4 or 5 foot drop, so we're doing a fence with a gate all the way across for kiddies. Keep them in, trap the kiddies in. Not like Didier out, but you know. But yeah, easiest fencing. Best thing about this is we didn't put any posts in, so it's straight away we were plugging and screwing, as you saw. Make sure they go in every metre and you're absolutely fine. But this wall does that. But so from the front, it does actually look good. Which, that's all you're going to see. You're not going to stand there and look down it, because it does curve all over the shop. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Bit of running around up my home. So I'll catch you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.